Hey friends, a lot of users have been asking how they can reload folders in the File Explorer. And one of the reasons is that after the update which has changed the File Explorer menu, people have a lot of confusion. When we right click, we don't find any option to refresh it. Now see this carefully. Right click and select show more options and then select refresh, and this will refresh all the folders. So this has reloaded all the folders. Alternatively, you can just close File Explorer and then reopen it and then return to the page where you wish to access the folders, and they will be refreshed. Even the order will be refreshed. So this is how you can reload folders in File Explorer on your Windows 11 computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.